Hello again. Now I'm arrived in Rudesheim, Germany. This choo-choo train is one of the transportation to take you around the city.
And also to the Rudheseim mountain area. Blue burgundy, which is grown here on slate bottom.
I will take you to the first German museum of mechanical musical instruments. Siegfrieds Mechanisches Musikkabinett is a museum for mechanical musical instruments. The outside of the Brömserhof, the 15th century knight manor where the museum is housed. Tourists can only visit the museum on the guided tour, which takes about 45 minutes. A tour guide shows visitors a scroll from which music is played. The museum provides information about the history of self-playing music and its instruments. From tiny music boxes to the big one you can find here.
This right here is our mega maestro.
It showcases 350 mechanical instruments dating back 3 centuries.
It's like a small theater with carousel and some dolls, 3 dolls, they dance. Here there is a barrel of metal with small pins, and these come, touch the pins, and then we listen to it. There are 2 possibilities. Firstly, we can
mastermind behind the electric collection is the museum namesake Siegfried Wendel.
The bell.
Okay, also it's going to that bell. Oh,
Yeah.
Thank you.
But it was too loud.
A local music enthusiast who gathered his collection of rescue and repair. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you when I see you. Cheers!